on this episode. Today we're going to be looking at these wasabi mustards. So stick around and join me. Hello everyone. I'm back today, just out here in the garden this November. And out here in Chicago in November, you don't really expect to have weather like this, but it is really doing quite well. So I just wanted to come out here and just do a quick check on some things. And I'm going to focus everything mainly on my wasabi mustards that I'm growing. But let me just show you, because again, we're in November. And I just want to show you 3 plants exactly before I get to the wasabis. So the first one is over here. These are my Shenan Strawberries. Now, I'm actually quite shocked at how well they're doing. We've already had the snow, 2 frosts, and they're still going. I am, kind of shocked and amazed at them. So yeah. So that's one. Then I wanted to show you guys my Savoy cabbage here. It is really doing well. It's starting to head up in there, and I am pretty amazed. I came out here just to check because I saw some holes, and lo and behold, I did see some cabbage worms on them, and that wasn't shocking because it's November, but it's like, come on guys, it's November. Let me have some plants now. So that one's doing really well. And this is growing really fast, surprisingly. Shocked by it. And then this purple cauliflower right here. I found some cabbage worms on it, but it is still thriving. It was actually a perfect plant until you can see I pulled off just now before I started filming one of those little caterpillars off of here too. But cauliflower doesn't always do too well when we have snow and frost, and this one has held up quite nicely. So I'm really impressed with it. And though I don't, before I get into the wasabis, here's another cauliflower that's doing really well. And yeah, they're cool crops, but they don't always do too well. So I'm actually kind of shocked about that. But that's that. Okay, so I want to talk about these wasabi mustards right here. Now this plot had originally 4 wasabi mustards. I had literally just dropped the seed pods in here. I had planted them from seed, and I didn't thin them out. And I just let them grow, and I thought it was 3, but it was like 4. So all I did was I left this one in the pot, and I don't know if you can remember, if you remember me showing it to you, but it was like 4. But I left that one, and I took the seedlings. I literally just took them right out the dirt and put them and separated them. So here's one, and it is thriving. This has been about 2 weeks ago, and I was like, we'll see what they do. We might just get one, but nope. Very hardy, super thick leaves. This is definitely a very, super, can you hear that? Super thick leaves. Very tolerant of the cold. Here's another. This one is very tiny, but hey, it was holding on in there. And then I added the other one over here. And it's doing really well, shockingly. So I literally just took them out the dirt, didn't put any fertilizer in here. I just was trying to separate them and said, let me let them get established, and then I'll go ahead and water them in. Well, I watered them, but I didn't put any fertilizer. Water them in with fertilizer. But they're doing really well. That one is the smallest, but it's still doing okay. This one was already here, So I added it over here to this bunch, but as you can see, this one is doing okay too. So I'm actually pretty thoroughly impressed with them. So this is my first time growing the wasabi mustard. So I have no clue what to expect from them. I'm just trying to see what they do, but they are actually holding up. So just wanted to show you guys that. That's all. Happy growing, everyone.